Step into the Dodge 2020 Charger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth sport seat, quick order package 2EG included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, triple nickel clear coat, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, STD, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique gloss black IP cluster trim rings black one-piece performance spoiler satin black Charger deck lid badge satin black Dodge tail lamp badge Dodge grill badge, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique gloss black IP cluster trim rings black one-piece performance spoiler satin black Charger deck lid badge satin